A street light is mounted at the top of a 15-foot tall pole. A man 6 feet tall walks away from the pole with a speed of 5 feet per second along a straight path. How fast is the tip of his shadow moving when he is 40 feet from the pole? Initially, the lamp man and its shadow forms a right triangle. As the man walks away from the lamp, the tip of the shadow also moves and forms another right triangle in the process. We now have two right triangles in the problem. The height of the lamp is 15 feet, the man is 6 feet tall, and we can let x be the length of the shadow. Another variable to consider is the distance of the man from the post after it had walked a certain distance, and that can be equated to y. One of the given is the speed of the man, which is equivalent to 5 feet per second. As it pertains to the speed of the man, it is basically the distance the man had walked over time, or that is equivalent to dy over dt. So we can now have this equation of dy over dt is equivalent to 5 feet per second. The value that the problem is looking for is the speed of the tip of the shadow, and this is measured from the lamp post. It follows that the value that we are looking for is the derivative of the distance from the lamp to the tip of the shadow over time. In equation form, it is equivalent to derivative of the variable y plus x over dt. To proceed with the differentiation, we need to only have one variable left in the equation. We need to leave y in the equation because one of the given is a value of dy over dt, which is equivalent to 5 feet per second. The next thing we should do is find an expression that will relate x and y so that we can substitute x in terms of y. Remember that we have already formed two right triangles. All right triangles are similar, thus we can compare its sides in a ratio. Let us compare the legs of the right triangles. From the larger triangle, we have 15 feet and we have y plus x. From the smaller triangle, we have 6 feet and we have x, thus making an equation of 15 over y plus x equals 6 over x. Simplifying the equation will give us 15x equals 6x plus 6y, and further simplifying it will give us 9x is equivalent to 6y. Since we are looking for the value of x in terms of y to substitute in the problem, we need to isolate x, and we can divide the whole equation with 9, and we can get the value of x of 2y over 3. Once we have the value of x in terms of y, we can substitute that to the derivative of y plus x over dt, and that is equivalent to derivative of 2y over 3 plus y with respect to time. Simplifying the term in the parenthesis will give us 5y over 3, and deriving it with respect to time will give us 5 over 3 dy over dt. From the given, we know the value of dy over dt, and that is equivalent to 5 feet per second. And now we can get the final answer of 25 over 3 feet per second, and that is the speed of the tip of the shadow as the man walks on a straight path away from the lamp.